Hey guys, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing, and in this video we are going to cover how we can automate birthday wishes and offers with the help of GoHighLevel. So why do we need to send all these birthday notifications to our customers? There are certain benefits that are laid out here, like it will boost our customer loyalty and retention. It will customize our messaging and offers, increase sales and conversions, and will enhance our brand image and perception. So last one is the most important one because we know we are living in this era of AI where everything feels that every interaction people are making with the businesses, it feels to some extent that it will be an AI-based interaction. So it actually humanizes your brand. That is very dire need of doing this uh, because AI is taking over all the things. Now, in this live example, we are going to set up a recipe birthday template, and we are going to customize our messaging and offers. Let's just try doing that. So once you're inside automation, first thing you need to create a workflow and select a recipe. Uh, and then type in birthday. So it will give you this template that we are going to edit according to our needs. Okay. Right, so first thing we look at it is first SMS that is going on, right? And it says that, hey, contact first name from your friends at location.name. It's actually the business name. We hope all the days of your life will be great. May you have a wonderful birthday. Once that is done, so we don't sell anything on our first SMS. We are just creating that loyalty with our customer, re-engaging without any offer. And then once they reply, we will just wait for 24 hours. And then if they reply within 24 hours, we can send them a discount offer. Um, as it is your birthday, we have an amazing 20% discount for you. Please let us know if you are interested. Now we have sent them our offer with a 20% discount, and it can work for any business, like, you can name it. Marketing service businesses, uh, plumbing and HVAC companies or businesses, chiropractors, you can name it, and it will work on every business because it's their birthday and you want to give them something special. So a 20% discount is a great option to do that. However, you can also change the offer to 10%, 5%. It totally relies up to you. We will just wait for another 2 days. If they don't reply to our first message, that is 20% discount, we will then, um, if they reply, we will send a positive response. Hey, here is the booking link. Please schedule a meeting with us. Or we can not add a calendar link here. We can say that, hey, let's come to our place, and we can insert a Google Maps link here. And once they arrive, we can let know our staff that, hey, look, this person is coming. It's his birthday or her birthday. We have to give them the discount. So, or we can add a tag inside the CRM. After that, positive message. You can add a tag like, birthday discount redeemed. And now the staff who is using GoHighLevel will know that, hey, that person has just come up and we need to give them 20% off. When none of the conditions are met, and then we can say that, hey, no worries, it's all right. Now we can definitely, it's a one channel that we are engaging on, so we can engage them on different channels. Like we can send them an email right away. Uh, send, yeah, right, and then subject will be happy birthday, and contact first name, and we wish you very blessed birthday. And we can customize it. We can add more details. We can add images. We can do a lot of stuff, but just stick to that part. And once we have sent them an email, the same goes for the email replies. If they reply over the email, we can then start sending out the same sequence for the emails as well. So that was it from this video. See you in the next video. And if you need help with your marketing, um, go high level, active campaign, click funnels, please let us know. Everything will be mentioned in the description section of this video. Thank you.